Established in 2012, the Friend of Stevens Award recognizes an individual who has demonstrated significant commitment and extraordinary support to the university who is not a graduate of Stevens. Unfortunately, I was not eligible for the award because my grasp of technology is unplugging something and plugging it back in, that whole deal. The 2013 Friend of Stevens Award goes to Robert Somerville, Chairman of the Board of the American Bureau of Shipping, known as ABS. For more than 40 years, Mr. Somerville has held leadership positions at ABS, one of the world's foremost maritime classification societies, serving as chairman and CEO from 2004 until 2011, and subsequently as chairman. Mr. Somerville has the distinction of serving as the organization's leader over the longest period in the organization's 151 years of existence. As a staunch proponent of stronger offshore and shipping safety standards, Mr. Somerville, who has also served as chairman of the International Association of Classification Societies, has left a lasting mark on this complex global industry. Under his chairmanship, IACS adopted what is arguably the single greatest advance in classification safety standards in the history of the sector: common structural rules for tankers and bulk carriers. With Mr. Somerville at the helm, ABS has been an active collaborator and important partner to Stevens in education, research, and policy advocacy. Also, under Mr. Somerville's leadership, ABS has been an ardent philanthropic supporter of Stevens through scholarship support and most recently providing a $3 million gift to the American Bureau of Shipping Civil, Naval, and Mechanical Engineering complex atop the Davidson Laboratory, Stevens' renowned ocean engineering and hydrodynamic research facility, and it sounds impressive, for his international contributions to the shipping industry and for his unwavering support to Stevens. Stevens is proud to present Mr. Robert Somerville with the Friends of Stevens Award.
Thank you very much for that kind introduction. President Farardin, ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of ABS, I am honored to be here this evening in this magnificent setting. ABS, which is really the American Bureau of Shipping, has been establishing and verifying technical and engineering safety standards for the international shipping and offshore industry for the last 150 years. We have long recognized that the whole concept of safety is based on having appropriately qualified people at every stage of a ship or offshore unit's design, construction, and operation. We rely on academic colleges and universities such as Stevens Institute to develop these qualified individuals for service across all sectors of the maritime industry. And I'm very happy tonight to tell you that we have, I know it's 22 Stevens graduates in our organizations around the world. And one of them is the executive vice president of our offshore division, so you should be very proud. We also realize that without the support of industry, these institutions cannot maintain the infrastructure, the equipment, and the staffing needed to properly prepare their students for the careers they have chosen. So it was for that reason that the Board of Directors of ABS maintains a dedicated scholarship and educational committee to identify opportunities for investing in the intellectual capital that is needed to meet the consistently evolving technical challenges that confront us. We are very pleased to have been able to support Stevens for a new infrastructure here on the tanks. And we have high hopes that the new ABS complex above the Davidson Laboratory will prove to be a valuable addition to your campus, helping to prepare many generations of Stevens students in the years to come. I wish you the very best and thank you for this kind award that you have bestowed on ABS. Thank you very much.